In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can download Summertime Saga on Android and iOS in just few easy steps. It's a very easy process to do. You can open any of the browser and simply search for Summertime Saga. Scroll it down, here you will get its official website. So, if you try to open it, it may show you this error. So to fix this error, if you're using Android, you can open Play Store, and if you're using iOS, you can open your App Store and simply download this VPN and then simply open it. After opening this, you need to connect it. After connecting VPN, you will be able to open this. Then you will see these two types of versions here, stable and preview, which is version 21. Simply click on that download button, and here you will see these three options to download on Android device, Mac or Windows and Linux. So I'm using currently Android device. I will click on that mega option. It will take some time to load, and then it will show you this download button on right bottom side. If you click on that download, it will start downloading here. After download, you can open your downloads and simply install it. So that's how you can download Summertime Saga on Android and iOS in just few easy steps.